Today I'm here to talk about 5 tips for representing yourself in a family court case. When it comes to your family and children, nothing is more important. For the best results possible, I always suggest that you hire an attorney. But if you cannot afford an attorney, let me make a few suggestions on how to help yourself in your family court case. The first tip to representing yourself in a family court case is to know your story. Be prepared to tell the judge who you are, why you're in court, what you want the court to do, and why you want the court to do it. The second tip for representing yourself in family court is to be prepared. Make sure that you've rehearsed your story or testimony, be on time for your court appearances and dress appropriately, and prepare any exhibits that you wish to give the court ahead of time. The third tip for representing yourself in a family court matter is to stick to the important points of your case. Don't get caught up in trying to mudsling or score points against the other party. Remember what you're trying to do and trying to prove to the court and stick to those important points. The fourth tip for representing yourself in a family court matter is to do the best you can to understand the court process. Knowing what to expect before each hearing is extremely important. Talk to friends or family that may have been through the process before. Do as much research as you can ahead of time so that you can anticipate what's coming with each hearing. The more you can understand ahead of time, the better prepared you will be for your court appearances. The final tip for representing yourself in a family court matter is don't be afraid to compromise. If the judge has to decide your case, there's a chance that you won't win everything that you want. Contested hearings often also lead to more friction between the parents. If you're able to achieve your goals while compromising, that may be a better result in the long run. When it comes to family and your children, nothing is more important. I highly recommend that you hire an attorney for best results. But if you cannot afford an attorney, remember the tips that we've discussed today. To know your story, be prepared, stick to the important points of your case, do the best you can to understand the court process, and don't be afraid to compromise. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find these tips to be helpful. Don't forget to find us on the web at hkklawoffices.com. I'm attorney Ryan Kautzer saying so long until next time.